we get asked a ton which manufacturer makes the best or highest quality paint, whether that's Sherwin-Williams, PPG, Benjamin Moore, Valspar, Behr. What you have to understand about a lot of the smaller companies like Behr and Valspar and everything is they're often owned by the big three, as we like to call it, which is Sherwin-Williams, Benjamin Moore, and PPG. The answer to who makes the best product is they all make great products. We use Sherwin-Williams mostly, but not because we think that they have the best products. There's a few of their products that we think are superior, and a few Benjamin Moore products we think are superior, and a few PPG products we think are superior. But the reason we use Sherwin-Williams the majority of the time is just because they're convenient. So they've done a really good job marketing and a really good job of making sure that they have a store pretty much in every location in the United States that you could imagine. So most cities have multiple stores. Paducah has 2, Lexington has 15. And so it's really convenient to be able to go and quickly get something. So it's less about which one's superior and more about which one's convenient and what product you need and which one has that product that serves you the best.